GMPs, a global market overview. The report quantifies the market by core material type and envelope material type. The report also analyzes the market by application. The report examines the market over the Americas, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. The report features key profiles include Asahi Fiberglass Company, Limited, Etex Building Performance NV, Kingspan Insulation Limited, Morgan Advanced Materials PLC, Panasonic Corporation, Vacu Isotherm GmbH, and more. Global market analysis of vacuum insulation panels. Product segment analysis of vacuum insulation panels market. Regional analysis of vacuum insulation panels market.